Okay children, now we are going to see the effect of print function. As we know that print function is used to display the values on the screen. So I have taken a variable a with the value 10 and now I am trying to display the value of this variable as well as other string values. As you can see in this code, I have written print hello, this is a string. Then I have displayed the value of the variable a. After that an integer value, and then the fractional value I have given, right? And you very well know that when you specify more than one values with the print function, all the values are by default separated by spaces. Then the next print statement, that is this one, print ready. Now this is going to display the output on the next line. Let's see the effect of this code. As you can see over here, first hello is displayed, then there is a space, then 10 is displayed, then a space, then 23 is displayed, then a space, and then 4.5. And after that the next print output is in next line. Okay. Now here I am trying to demonstrate the effect of the argument SEP. Right, the default value of the argument SEP is space. That is why each of the values are separated by spaces. But now here I have changed the value of SEP argument. I have written it as @. So now what will happen? This is the same code that we have seen. I have just introduced this argument over here. So instead of spaces between the values, now @ symbol will be displayed. See, after hello @, then after 10 @, then after 23 @, and then 4.5. So this is the effect of SEP argument. Now we will see one more argument, that is your end argument. Now what does this argument do? This argument simply specifies that whether you have to move to the next line after one print statement is over. Initial value, default value of end separator is new line character, but I have changed it with the exclamation mark. So till now we were getting the output of this print statement on the next line, but because of the effect of this argument, now the output of the second print statement will be displayed in the same line separated by exclamation mark. See, this is the one, as you can see over here, right? So these are the effect of the two arguments of print function.